Quick help on part number 8 of lesson 13 on code.org. We're back to the bee that follows your mouse around. When you move your mouse around, it just goes where the mouse goes. But now what we're going to do is add a little random jiggle to the bee so it looks like it's buzzing or hovering. And they do have, over here on the top right-hand side, they have a little preview GIF kind of thing that shows you what we're trying to do. It's going to involve random numbers. And so what we'll have to do is here in the code, it's the same code as what we had before, but I'm going to pull out this world.mousex and this world.mousey. We're going to throw in a couple of math blocks. I'm going to use plus blocks right here on both of them. And then on the world drawer, I'm going to bring back in that world.mousex and that world.mousey. Those are going to go back in. All right, and now this is where we get random with it, right? On code.org, they recommend a random number from -50 to 50 for your range of numbers. You could play around with that and do something a little bit, but I'm going to take a random number block and drop it in both of those holes right there like that. So the X location of the B will be the X location of the mouse, but we're going to throw in some randomness. And I am going to use -50 for the low limit and 50 for the high limit. And I'll just tab over here. -50 for the low limit, 50 for the high limit. So it's not just going to be the X and Y of the mouse, it's going to be the X and the Y of the mouse, plus or minus something. So when I run it and I move my mouse around, I get some random jiggle. Programming magic. There's a little bit of help on part 8.